Namaskar. I am starting the brief introduction about the true religion or Satya Dharma and why Satya Dharma is different from all types of idolatrous or pagan religion. With the blessings of my Pravartak Guru, who is the present Adishta of this true religion. Satya Dharma or true religion, which has been established with truth only. Religion is not a community, a way of self-development according to Satya Dharma. Satya Dharma, which is basically based on truth. The religion exists eternally, it exists eternally, and it will exist eternally. Satya Dharma, which is fully filled with actual fact. Satya Dharma, which is the equivalent of truth. That is to say, this religion is intended by the Supreme Father or Lord or Parameshwar, who belongs himself with the truth. This religion has the ability to convert anyone from dishonest to honest. Satya Dharma is basically related with the spiritual world. That is why it has been discovered through way of Atmakarshan, which is a fruition, kind of spiritual power. Spiritually developed great souls can enter into a qualitative person's body who has developed these 7 attributes like number 1, spiritual love of prem, number 2, devotion, number 3, concentration, number 4, simplicity, number 5, holiness, number 6, knowledge of Supreme Father's entity, number 7, aversion of mind astral. Ishwar Gurunath Sengupta founded this religion with its principle in 1885 AD. The followers of this aforesaid religion are called Satyeshta. After achieving the initiation or Diksha, which is a virtual birth, the virtual birth is greater than a practical or biological birth. Virtual pursuit is our ultimate practice, and glorification of the Supreme Father is the characteristics of this religion or dharma. The Supreme Father is the whole source of all qualities, and we are the smallest fractional particles of Him. This is why we have the germination of qualities. In fact, this is the latest authentic religion in creation, where human can develop their all attributes like kindness, forgiveness, spiritual love or prem, etc. by the support of this religious regulation only. Satya Dharma says infinite entirety of qualities is the Almighty Parameshwar, Supreme Father or Lord, who is the maker, creator of this universe. So, Satyeshtas are the worshippers of abstract Almighty. People who come here can become the qualitative persons if they obey the religious regulations. That is the only way to make the universe fair. Why Satya Dharma is different from all types of idolatrous or pagan religion? Number 1, there are no yoga sadhana, spiritual practices by yoga or asana, idol worship, casteism or racism and nirvana equalize themselves with the Supreme Father or Lord Parameshwar. Also, that is why Satya Dharma is different from Hinduism. Number 2, there is a regulation for human execution in Islam, while Satya Dharma alive the dead person and they disobey rebirth also. Number 3, there is a belief in Christianism that Jesus Christ is himself the Supreme Father and also no conception about rebirth. This is why Satya Dharma is different from Christianity. So, Satya Dharma is different from this religion. Number 4, there is no knowledge about Supreme Father's entity and spiritual world in Buddhism. So, Satya Dharma is different from this religion. Number 5, there is no conception regarding spiritual world and rebirth also in Theosophism. So, Satya Dharma is different. Number 6, spiritualism has no way for self-development and also there is no advice from the spiritually developed great souls. So it is different from Satya Dharma. Number 7, Brahmoism believes that they are the Supreme Father Shoham. That is why it is different from Satya Dharma. We have a figure. We are not abstract. Then how can we become the Supreme Lord? That is why Brahmoism also an idolatrous religion. So this has been an outmatched religion in the universe. Thank you.